You searched how to buy shares of Movano Inc. Movano develops wearable medical devices and digital health solutions and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MOVE-US. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you usually must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker MOVE-US to find the Movano listing. Then select the result that matches Movano Inc. to open the asset page. On the stock page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Verify the ticker shows MOVE-US and the exchange is NASDAQ. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the video description.